The factors affecting the stock market. The stock market doesn't move on logic, it moves on expectation. A company can lose billions, and its stock still goes up. Another can report record profits and collapse overnight. Because the market isn't reacting to what is, it's reacting to what people think comes next. Interest rates rise, stocks panic, oil prices spike, airlines fall. A single speech from a central banker can erase trillions before lunch. And then there's fear, the invisible force behind almost every crash. When investors get nervous, they sell. Selling pushes prices down, falling prices create more fear, and suddenly, perfectly healthy companies are bleeding value because humans are terrible at staying calm in crowds. But optimism works the same way. Cheap money floods the system. People borrow more, spend more, invest more. Stocks rise, headlines get louder, and everyone starts believing the market only goes one direction, until reality shows up with a baseball bat. Politics matters, wars matter, inflation matters, even weather can matter. A drought hits crops, food prices rise, inflation climbs, central banks react, markets shake, and underneath all of it is one uncomfortable truth. The stock market is less like a machine and more like a giant emotional prediction engine pretending to be rational. Which raises a bigger question. If prices are driven so heavily by emotion, narratives, and speculation, how much of the market is actually real? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want more deep dives into markets, money, and the hidden forces shaping the economy, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the next video.